Hello everybody, this is Clay Martins from the FVCC Library. I am just wanting to reach out and let everybody know that the library staff are still available to assist students during these trying times of remote learning. And I wanted to share a little tutorial with you on how to search for and access peer-reviewed academic journals through our online database. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser and search for FVCC Library, and that should bring us up on the first link here. And once you're at the library homepage, go ahead and hit Advanced Search down here, and that will bring you to the next screen. And located at the top here, Journal Search. Go ahead and enter there, and here in the search field, I'm a civil engineering student, so I'll just go ahead and type civil engineering, see what kind of journals come up for me. And we get 46 different results on this category. I'll just choose one that looks good. And you can see we have full text available on all of these journals. So if we go ahead into one, we'll be able to see down below here our options for accessing the full text of the journal. So let's choose this Gale database, and it will load up the page for the journal, which we see here. And we can go in by month and year to look at individual issues of the journal. For example, you can go and look at this article, which was published in the December 2019 edition of this academic journal. And here's the full text with abstract and so on. So hopefully this tutorial will be useful for helping you access research resources while you are engaging in learning from home or from a distance. And the library staff is once again available to assist you. You can get in touch with us via our email, library@fvcc.edu, and you can also call and leave a message at the library's main phone, 406-756-3856, and we check that phone for messages periodically throughout the day during the week, and we'll be able to get back to you very quickly and help you with whatever your research needs may be.